Montessori language class. Teach your child to read and write with our free online tutorials.
Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn letter U, V, and their sound. Let's start. This is U. U says Say umbrella, umbrella. Under, under. Upside down, upside down. Urchin, urchin. This is V. We say V. Say V. V and van. Wet. Vegetable, vegetable. Valentine. Can you cut this worksheet around the dotted line? And when you're done cutting our pictures, you're going to put them next to you like this. Now we are going to sort all these pictures by their first sound. Let's start. Umbrella goes under a. Can you put picture of umbrella under a? And van goes under V. Can you put picture of van under V? Under a. Wet V. Upside down a. Vegetable V. Urchin a. Valentine V. Let's play I Spy game. I spy with my little eye something start with V. Let's find something start with V. Do you say anything start with V? Oh, wet. Wet. I'm going to circle this V. I spy with my little eye something start with A. Let's find something start with A. Do you say anything start with A? Oh, under. Under. We are done with this A. We are going to circle that too. Now you are going to find rest of the picture start with V and A and circle all these letters, and when you are done we'll move on to next one. What picture is this? Pet. Pet. Let's find V. Oh, first one is that. Now you are going to find rest of the pictures first sound and circle them, and when you are done we can move on to next one. We are going to learn how to write U and V, A and V. We are going to start with this dot here and follow this arrow. Watch first. Can you trace on U on your worksheet? Now trace one more time. Now we are going to trace on V. We are going to start with this dot here. Can you trace on V on your worksheet? Let's trace one more time. Are you done tracing on V? Good. You did a good job today. We are done with today's lesson. See you next time. Bye-bye.